Good morning, entrepreneurs and builders. Welcome to the Breaking Business Podcast, where we don't just talk marketing and entrepreneurship, we dissect it, we challenge it, we extract those golden nuggets that you can actually use every single day. Business is in your blood, and I'm here to make it boil. I'm your host, Dr. Wood. Now let's break it down and build something great. Are you pouring everything into your business but still not seeing any real growth? You're not alone. Most entrepreneurs hit a wall where progress slows, burnout ends up creeping in, and success feels like it's just out of reach. But here's the thing, it's not always your business model, your product, or even the economy. Most often, it'll end up being your mindset that holds you back. And that's actually good news because mindset is something that you yourself can change. Stagnation looks like this: sales will flatline, profits dip, and everything feels like an uphill battle. Yes, outside factors do play a role, but the real culprit is often internal. The beliefs, the fears, the habits that quickly and quietly keep you from adapting and scaling. Three common mindset traps that cause this is something called a fixed mindset. That's the first one. And this is the belief that your skills or business potential are set in stone, i.e., fate, luck, chance. You avoid risk, you resist feedback, and you cling to how it's always been. It's the nostalgic mindset. Your second one is going to be your fear of delegation. You've built everything yourself, so handing everything off will often feel risky. But without delegation, you become the bottleneck within your own business. You can't scale based on fear of delegation. Then there's also the limiting beliefs. I can't charge more. I can't afford help. I have to do it all. Those beliefs are keeping your business small and your stress high. You hear the stories about small business owners who just stroked out because they were taking all of it on and they could not release control. High blood pressure, stress, it will all come from this system of mindsets. Add in the resistance to change, and you've got this perfect recipe of burnout and missed opportunity. Staying stuck isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous. Your burnout becomes real. Your mental health issues are rising among founders, among CEOs, among new entrepreneurs. And while you're spinning your wheels as one of these entrepreneurs, more agile competitors are grabbing your market share for your specific business. Your team, if you actually hired people, starts to lose trust in you. Your business becomes a job, not a path to freedom. You earn less, stress more, and your personal life will suffer too. At the core of all this is this thing called fear, the fear of failure, the fear of change, the fear of letting go. It shows up as a system of perfectionism, control, self doubt. Maybe it all stems from pride. This fear quietly locks you in place and keeps you from growing. But here's the shift: moving from fear to growth oriented action. Instead of seeing change as this risky thing, you see it as essential for you playing with the market. You stop playing defense and start leading like a visionary. So let's break it down into 5 actionable mindset shifts. The first one is building the growth mindset. You view challenges as opportunities. You learn constantly. I'm talking books, mentors, courses. Replace the ideas of I can't with how can I? How can I do this thing? How can I be better at it? And then I want you to start delegating strategically. Don't just hand everything off. Instead, list the things that you yourself as the business owner, that only you can do, that you can't truly delegate. Or if it's a sales pitch, if it's a investor, if it's cash flow management, if it's just vision of product and service, do what you can do versus what others can do for you. And then you're going to hire or outsource where you're weakest. You don't have to be the expert in everything, but you need to be able to recognize where you're weak and hire somebody that's better than you so you can improve the entire system. Empower your team, don't micromanage them. And then you're going to want to simplify to scale. Cut the clutter, focus on what truly works. Set a list of SMART goals. Say no to things that don't align with your vision. It's okay. You can let people go. It's okay. You don't have to do absolutely everything. Be good at one thing. And then I want you to embrace feedback and adapt. Ask for honest feedback, pivot when you need to, reevaluate your offers. Are they actually solving real problems for real customers, or have you inflated this idea on growth and expansion when it doesn't actually apply? Lastly, I want you to protect your energy. Set work boundaries, schedule rest times, build a network that supports you mentally and emotionally. You can't be the end all be all, but if you surround yourself with people who expect you to be the end all be all, it's a toxifying experience for your business, for you, your family, for your employees. When you make these shifts, everything will change. You're going to stop feeling tired and start leading with clarity. You're going to buy your time back. Your team will grow, your profits will rise. But most of all, you're going to fall back in love with your business, that passion that allowed you to grow it from the ground up. You need that. You built this company that scales and supports your life, not the one that drains it. You are the one in control. Entrepreneurial stagnation isn't going to be a life sentence for you, but it is a signal, a nudge towards a better way of operating if you can fix it. It's not more hustle, it's mindset. So, which trap of these hit home for you? What's one action that you're going to take in this week to shift yourself into growth mode? Drop it in the comments. Hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more content. Ring the bell. Don't miss what's next. And cheers to breaking free and building something bigger. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.